As a valued member of the Ariba Network, we would like to demonstrate an exclusive integration with SAP Business One. In this video, you will experience the power of the Ariba Network integrated into SAP Business One by demonstrating a simple order-to-invoice process. The process involves a purchase order submitted through the Ariba Network from a buyer. SAP Business One receives the order automatically and is processed. An accounts receivables invoice is issued in SAP Business One, and then the accounts receivable invoice is automatically submitted to the Ariba Network and sent to the buyer. As a supplier called OEC Computers, I am now logged in to the Ariba Network and I'm presented with my home dashboard, which provides me with an overview of my purchase orders, invoices and early payment statuses, and any other relevant messages and alerts. I can see that I have received a new purchase order, and therefore I'm going to navigate to my inbox to review the purchase order. Here is a list of my purchase orders. Some purchase orders have already been acknowledged and an invoice sent back to the buyer. And here I can see a new purchase order that I have just received. This is purchase order number 23, which I'm going to open. Within the purchase order document, I can see that I've received a purchase order from a buyer in Germany called Computer Import. I can see all of the ship to and bill to details, as well as the item details for the purchase order. Computer Import would like to purchase 100 units of item A102 with a purchase order total of €22. The SAP Business One integration framework has now downloaded this purchase order document automatically and replicated it in SAP Business One as a sales order. Let's now log into SAP Business One to review this sales order. We're now logged in to the SAP Business One system. We're presented with a cockpit, which is my personalized work center. In the Messages and Alerts pane, from within my cockpit, I can see a new Ariba sales order alert. By clicking on this alert, the Messages and Alerts inbox appears, and I can see that a sales order has been received in SAP Business One from the Ariba Network. From here, I'm able to drill down directly into the sales order by clicking on the yellow browsing arrow. The sales order window appears, and I can see that this is a new sales order from the buyer, Computer Import. The customer reference number 23 corresponds to the purchase order number 23 that was sent from the Ariba Network. The sales order is for 100 units of item A102, and the sales order total is for €22. I'm now going to navigate to the Logistics tab and check the ship to and bill to details. We can also see the type of document delivery under the Document Delivery field, which indicates that this document has come from the Ariba Network. I would now like to copy this sales order to an accounts receivable invoice, and to do this I simply select the Copy To button and select Accounts Receivable Invoice. The sales order details have now been copied across to an accounts receivable invoice, invoice number 378. If I navigate to the Logistics tab, I can see that the Document Delivery field is now active. I have the option to select not to send this invoice back to the Ariba Network. However, in this scenario, my buyer is expecting an invoice, and therefore I choose the option Post to Ariba Network. I can now add the invoice to the SAP Business One system. As soon as I click Add, this invoice will be automatically posted and presented in the Ariba Network. I have just received an alert in my Messages and Alerts Overview inbox that the invoice was posted successfully in the Ariba Network. Let's now go back into the Ariba Network to review the invoice that we posted in SAP Business One. Back in my home dashboard within the Ariba Network, I'm now going to navigate to my Outbox. My Outbox presents me with a list of invoices. We can see that invoice number 378 from SAP Business One was successfully replicated within the Ariba network. Let's open up this invoice. We can see the original purchase order number, which was purchase order number 23, the supplier and customer details, and if we scroll down, we can also see the order item details. This invoice has now automatically been sent to the buyer computer import. In this scenario, we have demonstrated the exclusive integration with SAP Business One and the Ariba Network, giving you access to a powerful core business management solution, providing you with all the tools you need to grow your business.